Hello, I'm Chicken Chiche. Today is the third video of lesson 6. We are going to learn about reading marriage and relationship chart. Basically, it's similar to the basic chart reading technique, except that because this involves marriage and relationship, there is a particular or specific useful God to look for in order to find the answer. So let's start. First, we need to identify the answer box, which is in the our pillar. Second, we need to see the useful God. In this case is Liu He. So we need to see whatever is inside this box, whether it is the door or the star or any emptiness or any horse sign. Third, we have to identify the subject and understand its symbols. The fourth one, we need to identify the correspondence partner symbols. Between asker and the other party involved. So what are these correspondent symbols? This is a fixed formula in identifying the correspondent symbols for relationship. So in the box, we should be able to find any of these combinations, Yi and Keng, or Ping and Xin, or Ting and Ren, Wu and Kui, or Ji and Wu, in this order. Next, we need to see the location of asker and the other party in the marriage plate, the yin-yang marriage plate. So what is this marriage plate? This is the marriage plate, yin-yang. So you see the color are different. It's always in this order, in this shape. It's a L shape and inverted L. So for example, the asker is in this box and the other party is in this box. It means since they are in the same plate, they are still in harmony or they still love each other. But for example, the asker is in this box, but the other party is in this box. Because there are two different plates, they are clashing with each other, which means their feeling is no longer the same, or they no longer love each other. Next, we need to identify the possibility of other people involved in the relationship. How do we identify? So when you see there is a Keng or Ping, which refers to the man, Yi, which refers to the older woman, or thing which refers to the younger woman and usually is the third party. This is how we identify the third party involvement. Then after that, we have to compare palace to palace relationship in relation with Liu He and the correspondence symbols and the other people, if there's any. And we need to see it holistically and conclude the answer. So again, this is the summary. In reading the chart for relationship, we have to identify the box, answer box, which is in the hour. Identify the useful god, Liu He, and whatever symbols inside. We have to see the subject and its symbols. Find the correspondent partner symbols between asker and other party. Find the location of the asker and other party in the marriage yin-yang plate. And identify if there are other people involved. Only after that, we have to look at the element relationship, palace to palace, or with Liu He, and correspondence symbols. View and conclude holistically after you review everything. So that will be all for this lesson. Next lesson, we shall practice with the case study.